Hi, this is AJ Hogue, the director of Effortless English, and I'm going to do a little lesson, probably several lessons, to help you understand one of Tony Robbins' recent videos. So, Tony Robbins did a video, and he actually did a little discussion with two other people, Frank Kern and John Reese. Now, Frank Kern and John Reese are internet business people. They're entrepreneurs. An entrepreneur is someone who owns their own business. They start their own business. And so in this video, Tony talks with Frank Kern and John Reese, and they discuss the kind of the difficult economy we have now, and also basically how can you get more success in your life. And, whatever success is for you. Maybe that means money, maybe that means learning better English, maybe something else. But anyway, I want to help you understand this video. A lot of our members watched Tony's video, and they told me, oh, it's hard to understand. Tony talks very fast. The other two guys, Frank Kern, John Reese, they talk fast. They use idioms and slang sometimes, so please help me understand it. So what I'm going to do is something I call the movie technique. I learned it at university in Shenandoah University, where I got my master's degree, blah, blah, blah. But anyway, what I'm going to do, I would just play a short part of Tony's video. Then I'll pause his video, and then I will paraphrase what he says. In other words, I will say the same information, but I will use easier English. I'll speak a little more slowly, and I will use more common words, more direct words, and I'll help you understand this video. Now, this technique is a deep learning technique, so I go slowly so you understand everything. So in this video, this is part one, I will do just the beginning part of the video, and we'll go little by little, and maybe I'll do part two, part three, part four later, if you like it. So let's start. We'll just play Tony's video. I'm just going to play, pause, explain, play, pause, explain. It's very simple.
Hey guys, it's Tony Robbins. Listen, I've got a video here for you today that I think you'll really enjoy.
Okay, beginning, he introduces himself. Hey guys. Guys just means people. It really means men, but here he's saying, it just, hey guys, it just means hi everybody. And he says, I have a video here I think you will really enjoy.
I am, for the last, 9 months or so since the economy took its giant collapse.
So he's saying, for the last 9 months since the economy took its giant collapse. Collapse means a big fall. Something falls or kind of falls down is really the idea. Fall down, like a building. If you have a building, if it collapses, the whole building falls down. So the economy, the world economy, especially the American economy, it fell down, right? It's gone down very fast. So that's what collapse means. So he's saying since this time, 9 months ago, the economy collapsed. It went down very fast. He's been thinking.
All over the world in different areas financially. I've been meeting people that are trying to figure out what to do financially.
So he's saying, I've been meeting a lot of people who are trying to figure out, trying to understand what to do financially. Of course, financially means with money or about money. So Tony's meeting all these people, right? The economy went down. People are losing their jobs. And Tony is meeting a lot of these people, and they're saying, what should I do? My business is having problems, or I lost my job. So all these people need financial help. And Tony's been thinking, how can I help them? How can I help them?
And I've bought so many people in business who are trying to figure out what to do. Their customers are responding in a different way.
So he says there are so many people in business who are trying to figure out, trying to understand or know what to do. They're having problems. Their customers are responding in a different way. Their customers are not doing what they did before. Maybe they're buying less, for example.
They're hanging on to their money, and their
customers are hanging on to their money. To hang on to something is to hold it and keep it. It means you don't want to let go. If you hang on to your money, It means you're trying to keep your money. You don't want to spend the money. You don't want to give the money. So obviously, if you're a business person, it's a problem if your customers hang on to their money, right? They're not buying from you. So Tony said, I meet a lot of people now, and their customers are holding on to the money, hanging on to the money. They're not buying from them.
Concerned.
And they're concerned. These business people are concerned. These people are concerned. They're worried. To be concerned means to be worried.
I thought, the traditional approaches to business are not making a difference.
So he said, I realized, the traditional approaches to business, it means the traditional methods, the normal methods for business, they're not making a difference. To make a difference means to contribute or to succeed or to improve, make an improvement. So that's what this phrase means. If you say, I want to make a difference, it means I want to improve something or help somehow to make a difference. So he's saying the old traditional methods are not making a difference. They're not improving. They're not helping people. They're not helping business people. People need a new way of doing business. Sounds kind of like learning English to me, but anyway, let's go.
What I'm best at is modeling.
And then Tony says, what I am best at is modeling. What does he mean? No, he's saying he's using model as a verb, to model. To model means to find a successful person and basically to copy what they are doing, copy how they think, do what they do, think how they think, feel how they feel. Right? If you want to be great with stocks, investing, maybe you get Warren Buffett, right? Super rich guy. And you model him. You see, what does Warren Buffett do? You do the same thing. That's what he means. And so Tony says, I'm great at modeling. I find the best person, and then I see, how do they think? What do they do? And I do the same thing.
I've always, when I wanted to figure something out, I go to people that are the best in that area. And
he's saying, when I want to figure something out, when I want to understand something, when I want to learn or know something, I find the best person in that area, and then I model them. I ask them questions. I learn what they know. I copy what they do. So what he's doing now, he found two very successful people in new business, internet business, Frank Kern and John Reese. These guys are very, very successful. Frank Kern, with his internet business, he made, I can't remember the number. It was, I think, $18 or $23 million in one day. One day. His business made, I can't, it's maybe 18. I'll say 18. It's 18 or more million dollars in one day. John Reese, he was the first person to make $1 million in a day. So several years ago, with his internet business, he made $1 million in just one day, 24 hours. And then later he made a lot more money, and Frank Kern, of course, later made $18 million in one day. So these two guys are really masters. They're really, really good with internet businesses. So Tony realized, these guys are the best. I will go to them. I will talk to them. I will learn from them so that I can also learn how to succeed with my business higher. And then Tony likes to help other people. That's his business. So Tony realized, okay, I'm going to learn from these guys. I will learn from Frank Kern. I will learn from John Reese. And then I will find a way to help a lot of other people. Teach a lot of people what they know. So that a lot of people can start their own little business. Maybe a little internet business. Maybe a small business in their town. And they can use the same ideas, the same strategies to also succeed. So Tony wants to help a lot of people succeed.
Figure out what they're doing and teach myself how to do that and then teach others to do the same.
So he's saying, first I find the best people, then I teach myself how to do what they're doing. So he found the best people, John Reese and Frank Kern. Then he learned from them so that he, Tony, could also succeed with an internet business. And then finally, the third step, now he wants to share this information with all of us, so that we can also succeed and we can do well and we can survive and we can be happy in this difficult economy.
So I've proven its worth with myself. I said, I want to find the best of the best.
I want to find the best of the best, the very, very top people.